For common mistakes cryptocurrency beginners make. Here are 4 major mistakes people often make when starting out in cryptocurrency. Many beginners invest in cryptocurrencies without taking the time to do their own research. They often get influenced by friends or advertisements, which can lead them to invest in risky or unreliable projects. One of the fundamental principles of investing is not to invest more money than you can afford to lose. Many new investors enter the market with great enthusiasm and end up investing funds that they cannot afford to lose. Beginners can often overlook good security practices, such as using secure wallets, enabling two-factor authentication, and storing private keys in a safe place. This leaves them vulnerable to hacks and asset loss. Fear of missing out, FOMO, or panic during price drops can lead to impulsive decisions, such as buying at high prices or selling in a rush during a drop. A good investor must remain rational and follow a well-thought-out strategy. These mistakes can have significant consequences, so it is important for new investors to educate themselves and stay informed. Don't miss a thing. Subscribe for exclusive updates. Share this video with your friends and help them discover this content and help grow our community. Leave a comment below and share your thoughts.